Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iGET Smart L203 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept. Choose Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now you need to choose Receive on an Android and Send on iGET Smart. After that, tap on all of those dots and choose Send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will click on just one photo. Select Send and click Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose Receive, or you can scan a QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on an Android, then choose Allow and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files, click on Browse in the middle and select, in my case, Images. Then Send Anywhere folder will be here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!